Hi all, this is Sachin VC. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Sachvim. So this is the third video in the parametric family creation. So in the first video discuss how to create the parametric and how to create the constraints, and second video we discuss on the how to create the parametric equation. And in the third video, I mean in this current video, what we are planning is we are going to explore the conditional expression. That means if else statement, then round off, round up, round those kind of expression and the condition formulas we are discussing today. So initially we'll discuss on the normal if statement. So I have added the if equation in the formula column. So this is the syntax that we are normally using. If a is equal to 1000, then comma again 500 comma 10. So what does it means? So I will open one mirror board. So in that one you can see the if equation syntax. If under the bracket, first thing is the condition. If a is equal to 30, this is the condition. If the parameter value of a is equal to 30 means this will be the result. And if a is not is equal to 30 means 0 is the result. So that is what the basic behind this equation. So we'll see. So this is a condition a is equal to 30. So I'm correcting is equal to 30. If the parameter value is equal to a3 means the true statement will happen. That means the value of b will be 10. So this is the true statement. So if it is fail mean it will be run like this and the result of the b will be 0. So we'll check in the Revit. So in my Revit screen I put it as a if a is equal to 1000. This is the condition. So parameter value a is equal to 1000. So the statement is true. That means the result will be the middle one. I will show you. The result will be the middle one. So it is attaining the value of 500. If a is equal to a is not equal to 1000 means I am for example I am putting 1500. That means the value of b become the last value, the 10. So this is the normal if statement that we can implement in the parametric equation. So next is the if statement having the logical AND. So I'll show you the equation syntax. Here you can see if and in bracket a is equal to 1000 and b is equal to 1000. So this is the condition. A is equal to 1000 and b is equal to 1000. This is a condition. If you are using AND means both the condition need to be true, then only the whole statement become true and it will go to the true result. Otherwise it will catch the false one. Okay, I will show you the Excel thing. So this is what the condition. So this much is the condition. So a is equal to 30 and b is equal to 30. That means both we need to satisfy. Then only the result will be 10. Otherwise any of them become false means it will catch the false statement. So that is known as AND statement. We'll check in the Revit screen. So I will open the Revit. So here both parameter I am putting as 1000. A is equal to 1000 and b is equal to 1000. So the result of this z is equal to 500. That means both statements are satisfying. So any of them, like I am changing the b value into 1500, that means it will catch the false statement. So this is what the if statement having the logical AND. So next is the if statement having the logical OR. In that D parameter you can see the equation syntax. If or in bracket a is equal to 1000 and b is equal to 1000. This is the condition. So if you are using OR statement means either any of the condition, I mean a is equal to 1000 or b is equal to 1000, any of them become satisfied means it will catch the true statement result. Otherwise it will catch the false statement. That means false statement only occur the both become fail. So both become fail. So here you can see the a is equal to 1000 and b is equal to 1500. So any of this condition is satisfying, so that it becomes the true result. Okay, coming to the AND statement, both statements need to be satisfied. So I hope you understand the conditional expression that we are using the parametric equation, that means if else statement. So try it out once and let me know your feedback in the comment section. And so this is Sachin from Sachvim channel, and thank you guys. Bye.